Once there lived a poor man in a village. He had a rich classmate. He lived in a town. They did not meet for a long time. In the meantime, the rich friend had problems with his ear and became deaf. His friend in the village could not know this. One day the rich friend came to know that his friend was seriously ill. So he decided to visit him. The rich friend thought to himself, "How can I talk to him? I cannot hear what he will say." He decided to talk less and carefully planned his talk. "I'll say good morning. How are you?" He'll say, "Fine, thank you." Then I'll say, "That's good." Then I'll ask, "What food are you taking?" He'll name the food he is taking. "That's good for you." Finally, I'll ask, "Who is your doctor?" He'll tell the name of his doctor. I'll say, "I hope God will help him with his work." The rich friend arrived at his friend's house. The two friends started talking to each other. Rich friend, "Good morning, my dear friend. How are you?" Poor friend, "I have a very bad fever. I can't sleep at night." Rich friend, "That's good. What food are you taking?" Poor friend, with anger, "The dust of the earth." Rich friend, smilingly, "That's good for you. And who is your doctor?" Poor friend, losing his temper, "Death himself." Rich friend, "I hope God will help your doctor with his work." Saying so, he left his friend with great pleasure. He thought his plan had worked well and his friend could not know that he was deaf.